Let's talk about the units for measuring pressure. Pressure is force divided by area, which is equal to Newton per square metre, which is equal to a Pascal. Therefore, 1 Pascal is 1 Newton acting over 1 metre squared. 1 Newton at 1 g, which is approximately 10 metres per second, or the accelerating force of gravity, gives us a mass or a weight, which is force divided by acceleration. So 1 Newton divided by 10 metres per second, and 1 Newton is equivalent to 1 kilogram metres per second, divided by 1g. And then you can divide out the units and the orders of magnitude. And that demonstrates that 1 Pascal is effectively 100 grams acting over an area of 1 metre squared. This means that we use kilopascals when we're talking about respiratory gas pressures, because a Pascal is a tiny unit of pressure. Now, if we take a gas cylinder and a gauge which demonstrates the pressure within the cylinder, that is called a gauge pressure. Now, that gauge pressure is taken in addition to barometric pressure, i.e. the prevailing atmospheric pressure, and that gives us the absolute pressure, which is the combination of gauge and barometric pressure. MAP, CVP, wedge pressure, ICP, and intra-abdominal pressure are all gauge pressures that are taken in addition to atmospheric pressure. 1 atmosphere is equal to 101.3 kilopascals, which is 760 millimeters of mercury. So 1 kilopascal is 7.5 millimeters of mercury, or 10.2 centimeters of water, and 1 millimeter of mercury is equal to 1.36 centimeters of water.